chapter, trigonometric ratios up to transformation. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, part 35. Last part completed in Pondit 2 marks problem in IB examination. Today discuss unexpected 4 marks problems. First problem is prove that 4 into cos 12 degrees into cos 48 degrees into cos 72 degrees is equal to cos 36 degrees. This one is the problem. In this problem you have to take LHS part. What is that LHS part? 4 into cos 12 degrees into cos 48 degrees into cos 72 degrees. First, in this 4 you can common 1 2, remaining 2 into cos 12 degrees into cos 48 degrees into cos 72 degrees. Correct understands? 2 to the how much 4? Here, first 2 terms you can write 2 into cos 12 into cos 48 degrees. Remaining last term you can write similar. 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula? Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. This one is the formula. In this formula, you can write A value is 12, B value is 48. You get what? 2 into cos 12 plus 48 plus cos 12 minus 48 into cos 72. Into cos 72. Here you can write 2 into cos 12 plus 48, you get cos 60 plus cos 12 minus 48, how much? 12 minus 48 minus 36 into cos 72 into cos 72. After that you can write 2 cos 60 into cos 72 is 1 term plus 2 cos of minus 36 is equal cos 36 into cos 72 is the another term. 2 cos 60 into cos 72 first term plus 2 cos of minus theta cos 36 cos theta into cos 72. Once again you can write 2 cos A cos B. Here also be 2 cos A cos B form. What is that formula? Cos of A plus B. Cos of A nothing but 60 plus 72 plus cos of A minus B nothing but 60 minus 72. Here A value is 60, B value is 72. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Separate 2 cos A cos B formula what? Cos of A plus B 36 plus 72 plus cos of A minus B 36 minus 72. 36 plus 72, 36 minus 72. Here A value is 36, B value is 72. After that, cos 60 plus 72, how much? 60 plus 72, 130. Plus cos of 60 minus 72, how much? 60 minus 72. 60 minus 72 minus 12. Cos of 36 plus 72, how much? 36 plus 72, 108. Plus cos of 36 minus 72, how much? 36 minus 72 minus 36. Minus 36. After that, we can simplify this one. Cos 132 is area. Cos 132. Here cos of minus theta, cos theta. Here cos of minus theta also be cos theta. Here cos 132 nothing but cos 90 plus or 180 cos of 180 minus 46 48. Correct? 180 minus 48. 132 plus 48 how much? 180. Next cos of plus 12 nothing but cos 12 plus cos of 180. Cos of 180 108 nothing but cos of 180 minus 72. 180 minus 72 plus cos of minus theta cos theta, you get cos 36. Here next you can write cos of 180 minus theta. Cos of 180 means second coordinate cos is negative minus cos 48 plus cos 12 minus 180 minus 72. 180 minus theta lies in second coordinate cos is negative, 180 is even function minus cos 72 plus cos 36 plus cos 36. After that you can write here in this 2 minus cos 48 plus cos c minus cos t. You can write which formula? Cos c minus cos t. What is the formula? 2 cos c 2 cos C minus cos D. What is the formula of cos C minus cos D? Minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. This one is the formula. In this formula, you can write here cos minus cos 48 is similar plus cos 12 nothing but minus 2 sin C value is 12 plus 72 by 2 sin 12 minus 72 by 2 plus cos 36. After that, you can write minus cos 48 minus 2 into sin 12 plus 72. How much? 12 plus 72. 84 by 2. 84 by 2 into sin 12 minus 70 minus 16 by 2 plus cos 36 minus cos 48 minus 2 sin 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 42 degrees sin of 2 1s are 2 30s minus 30 degrees plus cos 30 sin of minus theta. How much? Sin of minus theta. First cos 48 minus 2 sin 42 sin of minus theta minus sin theta minus into minus you get like plus cos 36. After that you can write minus cos 48 plus 2 into sin 30 value 1 by 2 sin 42. Sin 42 can be written as sin of 90 minus 48. Correct or not, students? Sin of 90 minus for how much? 90 minus 48 how much? 42. Here sin 30 value is here 90 minus 48 value 42. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Sin of minus theta value minus sin theta. Already minus is there. Minus into minus plus. After that 90 minus 48 plus cos 36. Next one. Next minus cos 48 plus 2 to get cancelled. Sin of 90 minus theta which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant sign is positive. 90 is which function? Odd function. Sin can be written as cos 48 plus cos 36. Here cos 48 plus cos 48 minus 4 get cancelled. Remaining what here? Remaining cos 36 is there. This is the RHS part. Correct or not, check students? This is the which part? RHS part. In this way, you can do that 4 marks problems. 4 mark problem detailed using two formulas. 2 cos A cos B formula used and cos C minus cos B formula also be used in this model coming to the 4 marks in IB examination. The problem is if cos x plus cos y is equal to 4 by 5 and cos x minus cos y is equal to 2 by 7, find the value of 14 tan of x minus y whole by 2 plus 5 cot of x plus y by 2. This one is the problem. First of all, we have to take given the cos x plus cos y is equal to 4 by 5 is there. In this formula, cos c plus cos g formula, you can write what is the formula cos c plus cos g? 2 cos c. C value is x, d value is y. X plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 is equal to 4 by 5. This is equation 1. Similarly, cos c minus cos g. Cos x minus cos y is equal to 2 by 7. Cos c minus cos g formula minus 2 sin c, nothing but x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2 is equal to 2 by 7. This is the cos c minus cos d, 2 minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Here c value is x, d value is y. Here this one is equation number 2. After that we can write 1 by 2. What is the value? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 because 1 is what here? 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2. This is the LHS part. What is the RHS part? RHS part is minus 2 into sin of x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2. This is the LHS part of first one. This is the LHS part of second one. What is the RHS part? 4 by 5 by 2 by 7. RHS part of the first one 4 by 5. Second one is 2 by 7. After that, 2 to get cancelled. Cos of x plus y by 2 by sin of x plus y by 2. Cos of x plus y by 2 by sin of x plus y by 2 you can write cot minus cot of x plus y by 2. Here cos of x minus y by 2 by sin of x minus b by 2 you can write cot of x minus y by 2. Understood or not? Cos by sin, you know that first introduction. Cos by sin is what? Cot. Here also tan is cos by sin is cot. Here you can write 4 by 5 into 7 by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Remaining one minus cot of x plus y by 2. Here cot of x plus y by 2 is there. Next tan is there. That's why this cot can be written as 1 by tan. Correct or not, students? What is the value of cot? Cot is nothing but 1 by tan. 1 by tan of x minus y by 2. Equal to 2 fourths of 14 by 5. 14 by 5. After that, you can write minus cot of x minus y by 2 whole by x plus y by 2 whole by tan of x minus y by 2 equal to 14 by 5 cross multiplied this one. Minus cot of x plus y whole by 2 by tan of x minus y by 2 is equal to 14 by 5 just to cross multiply. You get minus 5 cot x plus y by 2 is equal to 14 into tan x minus y by 2. 14 into tan x minus y by 2. After that, you can write this term goes to LHS part converted to RHS. 14 tan x minus y by 2. This minus goes to that side plus 5 cot of x plus y by 2. Remaining you get what? 0. This is the value or not check. 14 tan of x minus y by 2 plus 5 cot of x plus y by 2 equal to how much? 0. So this then the value of this term is what here? 0. This is a 4 marks question impounded unexpected problem in IB examination.